Anthony here from Kiteboarding St. Petersburg, and I'm showing you how to self-land in strong winds. So say you go out kiteboarding, come back to the beach, nobody's on the beach, and you're overpowered. This is what I do in that situation. So it's pretty simple. Say you're hooked in, you have your safety leash hooked up. What you want to look for is your flag line. You want to make sure that your flag line is on top. So if I bring the kite to the right, I want to make sure that my flag line right here is on the top. So what I'll do is I'll bring the kite maybe 20 to 30, 40 feet off the beach, and I'll let go of the bar and quickly push away that release. I'll hold on to this line right here to make sure that line engages, but the kite will go down in a position so that the leading edge is facing into the wind blows over top of it, and you get less hassle. But the most important thing to know is your flag line is right on top. So you want your flag line on top, bring the kite 20 feet off, 30 feet off the beach, release your kite, and hold your flag line. That's it. Let's go take a look.